everyone, and welcome to this video on citation from a faculty perspective. My name is Emily Funston, and I'm one of the liaison librarians here at Seneca Libraries. This video will go over some tips for grading and evaluating citations. So we'll look at some supports that you can share with students, and also some supports for you when you're creating research assignments and evaluating citations. This video is part of the Seneca Libraries Faculty Miniseries, a series of videos available on demand outlining library support for faculty. If you have any questions, please reach out to your liaison librarian or contact librarians@senecacollege.ca. And if you'd like to follow along with the content covered in this video, check out our citation primer for faculty, which is available at the link below. As we know, students need to cite the sources that they're using in their research assignments. These citations give credit to the original creator of that idea or that information. They communicate to readers where they can learn more about the topic covered in the paper, and they communicate to you, their professors, where they got their information from. So citation is important for lots of reasons. But with so many fine details in citation, it can be kind of tricky or time-consuming to evaluate these citations. Things like specific formatting, pieces of information to include in citations for different materials. There's lots of things to consider when evaluating citations. I have a few tips that can help this process go smoothly. First, in your assignment, include information for students on how their citations will be evaluated. This lets students know what you'll be looking for when you're evaluating their citations. Seneca Libraries even has some sample rubrics that you can use and adapt to suit your specific assignments, just to help communicate those expectations to students. And then when students have completed their assignments and you're evaluating their citations, check out the Seneca Libraries marking checklists as a guide for evaluating citations. These checklists go through a set of criteria for formatting, things like the works cited list and references lists, and in-text citation guidelines. So use these checklists as a guide. You can find all of these tools on the Citing Sources for Faculty guide. Starting at the library homepage, the first step is to open up the Information for Faculty guide. On this guide, you'll find various resources and information about library support for faculty. I'm going to scroll down and access the plagiarism and citation section of this page. Then I'm also going to open up the Citation Primer for faculty. This is where you can find resources and instructional material related to citation. There are tabs for APA and MLA style. As an example, I'll open up the APA 7th edition tab. There are various handouts that you can use with students, and there's also a checklist for marking APA 7th edition references and a sample marking rubric for APA citations. There's also a link to library packages in support of academic integrity and citation. These packages will often include a tutorial or instructional material, as well as a quiz that can be imported directly into Blackboard. For more information on library packages, check out episode 1 of our faculty miniseries, The Library in Blackboard. In addition to letting students know how their citations will be evaluated by using rubrics and instructions, you may also want to include a direct link to the relevant citation guide within your assignment materials. This will help students locate templates and resources to use when they're creating their citations, and in turn, help students create more accurate and correct citations. You can find the library's citation guides by starting on the Seneca Libraries homepage and clicking on Citing Sources. These links to APA and MLA guides are links that can be shared with students. So if you're assigning a research assignment where students will be using MLA-style citation, for example, include a link to this guide in their assignment. That way students will be able to locate the citation examples and other resources to help them with citation. There's also a guide to citing sources in digital assignments. So if you're assigning students a digital assignment where they're working on an infographic or a video or even a PowerPoint presentation, point them towards this guide for citing sources in digital assignments. This will outline some Seneca Libraries recommendations for how to cite sources in digital assignments. So far, I've focused on citation accuracy in this video. But remember that the quality of the source matters too. You can help students find high-quality sources by directing them towards Seneca Library's subject guides or specific databases or publications that are relevant for their research assignment. And for more tips on creating well-designed research assignments, check out the library's guide to Building Better Research Assignments, which is available at the link below. And if after watching this video you'd like to get in touch with your liaison librarian to talk about creating a research assignment that encourages proper citation, please get in touch. You can contact us at librarians@senecacollege.ca or by emailing your liaison librarian. And to learn more about library support for faculty, check out the other videos in this faculty mini-series.